Good morning. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully everybody's off to a great productive day. So in this video here, I'm pretty much responding to a subscriber's comment down in the comment section. And they asked me what kind of designs sell the best. I can only speak for what sells best for me. And if you've been following the channel, y'all know I create all kind of designs. Most of them are cartoony, bright, vibrant colors. But that's not my best sellers. My best sellers are simple designs, minimalist, just simple designs. So I'm gonna flip you around and show you a design that I created that sells good for me. Okay, so we have our design centered onto the shirt, and believe it or not, this is what sells. Simple designs. All the cartoon, vibrant color designs, they really don't sell, but simple designs like this right here is what I'm selling the most of. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this pressed, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the left sleeve, and then we're gonna let y'all take a look at it. All right, so it's just finished pressing. And even though this is hot peel, I'm gonna let it cool down for just a second, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the left sleeve, and then we'll bring y'all back. Okay, so we got the design done, nice simple design. Got the sleeve done, the front done. Let's take it out, get y'all to check it out. So there you have it. This was a quick, easy design. Didn't use a lot of ink. Didn't take a lot of time to print out. Got your front graphic. Then you got your sleeve right there. Bear with me, I still don't have all my camera stuff set up. So I'm trying to hold the camera and do all this. But a simple design. Didn't take long to design it. Didn't take long to print out. And you can sell a ton of them. So keep it simple. For those who subscribe to the channel, know this is what y'all mainly see me do on my channel. And that's because I'm trying to just show y'all the bright, vibrant colors and how well the Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF printer prints. But designs like this, I mean, I sell them every now and then, but not as often as like the one you've seen before, the minimalist shirt, just keeping it simple. All right, so I got my shirt pressed for 5 seconds to release the moisture. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my centering tool right here because I don't wanna go ahead and mess up a perfectly good shirt by not getting the design on there centered. So go ahead and get this placed on there so I get the center of the shirt. And for those who do it by eyesight, never go by the tag because half the time the tags are crooked. Now I eyeball it, but for this video, I'm using the template right here. And rule of thumb, you want to go at least 3 fingers down from the top where your design is. And bear with me, I'm doing this while I'm holding the camera because I still haven't set up all my equipment since I moved and relocated. But I want to go ahead and get the design centered. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some heat transfer tape. That way I don't have to worry about the design moving when I push it in. Design is centered. Heat transfer tape is on. Now we're gonna press it at 320 degrees for 20 seconds. All right, so it's just finished pressing. And this is a hot peel transfer, but I'm gonna go ahead and let it cool down for just a second. And then I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. All right, so we got the transfer film removed off the shirt. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our texturized finishing sheet on it. And we're gonna press it for 5 seconds at 320 degrees. And this is the texturized fiberglass finishing sheet from DTF Power. So how I get the center of a sleeve, I just fold it on there sideways, and then I press it for 5 seconds. And what it's gonna do is, it's gonna put a crease in it. And then you use that crease to get your center. So So see how the shirt is creased now? Now when I fold this out, show you right quick. You see that crease? That crease right there is my center. And that's how I get my center when I do my sleeves. Okay, so I got my cheesy design that we're gonna go ahead and put on the center. And I don't have a platen to do a sleeve. So if you have any hard surface, then you can use that. So I'm gonna put this box in there, use that, and then I'm gonna use my small mini heat press to go ahead and get that put on. Okay, while my miniature heat press is heating up, you see I have the box in there, and you see how I have the center? Then I go and grab my design, and all you do is place it in the center. Once you have it centered with the line, then you know you're good to go to press it. Okay, so I just finished using my miniature heat press to transfer the design on there. This is instant peel, so I can go ahead and peel it right off. And there we have it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my Teflon sheet back on there and press it again for 5 seconds to get that final press on it to seal it in there. Okay, so we got the front of the shirt done. We got the sleeve, and one thing I can't stress enough, always put your branding on every shirt that you do. That way people know how to find you or who did the shirt. Okay, so let's take a look at the shirt. We got our front design right there. We have our sleeve design, and then we have our branding leading back to your website, social media, wherever. You definitely want to put your tag on it to let people know who made the shirt and how to get in contact with you. That way if they want to order something else. Okay, so here's our cheesy design on a t-shirt right here. So this is what y'all mainly see me do on my channel. Stuff that got some vibrant colors to it, cartoony, to keep it entertaining. But for me, these designs don't sell the most. I do sell them, but I sell more of the simple minimalist designs like this right here.